making the market easier. I've been doing this for students for over 25 years, and I'm going to do that for you. So let's just get started. Now, the stock market, take a look at this chart here, the S&P. After it dropped about 23%, it rallied back up around 23%. The big goal right now is, can they make a new high? Now, you're going to hear all kinds of different opinions. And one opinion came out that's starting to scare folks is the bonds. Now, the bond market I listen to, because the bond market tells you everything you need to know, especially gives you the direction of which the stock market's going to go. Why? Because it creates all the rates. I mean, I don't care if it's your credit card, your automobile, your student loan, it's the rate creator. And that's what drives markets up or down. Interest rates go up, man, the economy just slows, earnings slows, and that's the end of it. But, you know, it's the noise that I don't like. And it's the noise that I've heard for 25 years that really starts confusing you. So I've been at this for 50 years. 25 years ago, I said, why can't we just have a chart that tells us if money's going into a stock or out of stock? In other words, follow pricing. And that's what I did. And over 225,000 people have used this chart. Now, I'm not here to sell you a chart. I'm here to show you how to make your trading life a little bit easier. Now, give you an example. So here's the S&P. So you can see we had this big drop on the S&P. But very few people took advantage of that drop. 85% of people don't make money in the stock market, especially the retail investor, because they only buy stocks. That's a pretty tough way of making money. You got to be buying to perfection. So when I designed my chart, and it probably looks different than yours, right? Over here, you can see yours. And because the generic chart just tells you, hey, it closed on the low, it's red. Closes on the high, it's green. And that always bothered me. Why can't I have a stock that chart that just shows me the money? Give you an example. When they're talking about, boy, we had a great rally, one of the fastest recoveries ever since 1982. But what they don't understand is half of this recovery are the same people who sold short bought their shares back. They have to. So really the new money came in from here to here, not from here. These are the same folks who sold short just buying their shares back. This chart shows you that because it's showing, again, there's not enough money, or enough money hasn't yet come in to give you a comfortable trade. So when I line up when it turned green and I line that up here with my sweet spot, it's a perfect opportunity to go in and buy. And you don't have to worry, well, I'm going to get in there, also it's going to drop. But from here to here, you're going to have to worry. So that's the beautiful thing about this. So you know that if you start your trade here, you got a much higher probability of making money than starting your trade here because you just don't have enough buyers. The other thing we make it simple is that our members, we only have them trade the same 6 stocks all year long. Why? Because everything is a buy or sell signal. If you know how to sell short and you know how to buy at the same time, you can stay with 6 stocks and wait for the buy and sell signal. Example, here's one of our signals right here on our Pro 2 chart, which is right behind this one. See, this told us to sell short. We were green, it turned around red, and here's the sweet spot. A sweet spot is where you get the most people selling stocks at the same time in a short period of time. The opposite is buying a stock right here, okay? The same thing. It's called the sweet spot right here. And the sweet spot, same thing. You get the most amount of people buying in a short period of time. So you have a high probability of success. Now, obviously, you can take the rest of the trade as well. But the point is, if you stay with just the same 6 stocks and you know how to sell and you know how to go long, why do you need more than 6 stocks? See, everybody's looking for the hot stock. No, you're looking for that pattern, that buy signal. That's what you're looking for. And everybody's running around looking at 100 different stocks. So again, 85% of people don't make money doing that. So by having a chart that I designed over 25 years ago that gives us the pattern of money. Is it going in? Is it coming out? What a difference it makes. So again, I'm here to make your trading a lot easier. And if you want to try this, and if you want to participate in our 25 years of trading education, and it's free for 10 days, just simply comment the word stock below. That's all you have to do. So again, it's just makes a big difference when you know that you're following pricing instead of the noise. Don't you think so? Okay. See you on the charts.